I'm Joe. I'm a Red Seal plumber at King Services. Today I will be answering another question from one of our amazing customers. What are some warning signs that my plumbing system may need repairs? There are many things that may indicate you may need plumbing repairs. A higher water bill may indicate a hidden leak. If you haven't made any big changes in your water usage and your bill spikes, that may be a good indication that there are an issue. Many leaks, even significant ones, occur in walls and other areas. Other warning signs are if your water pressure drops throughout your entire home, or you have stains and damp areas on ceilings and walls. You can't just wipe away the water and forget about it. Since the leak is out of sight, it could be a bigger issue than you think. If you feel you're having a plumbing issue, please call our office at 204-633-9010.